Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how Bitrix automatically keeps your data in your desktop app and your mobile app perfectly synced in your cloud data. This way you never have to make manual updates. First, a key thing to understand is that Bitrix is built on a live cloud system. The moment you create a task, update anything, or send a message, it's instantly saved to your cloud, meaning synced across your devices. This means there's no sync button to press. It's all done automatically in real time. Your desktop app or your mobile app is just a window into the live cloud data. To make sure this works flawlessly, one thing you need to do is be connected to the internet while making the change. This ensures that the change is instantly synced across devices. You can verify this by opening Bitrix in your web browser and your mobile app, and making a change in one, watching it appear instantly in the other. This means you can switch between devices, but you'll always have access to the very latest version of your data, projects, and communications. And that's it. By using Bitrix's live cloud system, your information is always synced and accessible everywhere automatically. If this seamless sync makes your work easier, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.